Hey guys, just a update on where I am on my Aaron Newlands group build, the trainer group build with my TA 4J Skyhawk. I'm getting ready to button it up. I finished off the cockpit. Give you all a peek in there. Thanks to Lenny at Scale Surface to Air Models, I ended up redoing this whole thing. I had it all painted flat black. I wasn't really into doing the cockpit. I don't know, just couldn't get motivated. But anyway, I saw one of his videos. I can't remember which one it was, where he was talking about breaking out his punch and doing the dials. He punched them out of paper. Well, that got me thinking. So I did the whole thing. I was like, wow, that's a good idea. So I went back, sprayed my cockpit again to that deck tan, I think is the color I used. Then I punched out with my punch set, and I actually used part of the instructions for the black dials. I punched them out, put them in there with just future. I put future down, put the paper on top of it, and then covered it, and that's how I got the dials. Turned out pretty good. So thanks, Lenny, for that tip. The the pull handles there, I made those really easily. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, but if you have a spare HDMI cable somewhere, or you can find one, you go to the dollar store and grab one, or we have a store around here called Five Below. You can get them pretty cheap. But if you tear apart a HDMI cable, you will get enough wire to do whatever you want in all different sizes. There's just an example. There's red, black, white, kind of an off color. They're different sizes. One of the sizes in there was this, the yellow. There's several. This here, this is 0.4 millimeter. If anybody wanted to know what size it is, let me get my calipers here. Well, actually, it's 0.3 millimeter. 0.3 millimeter on that, which comes, let me make a switch here for you. That is 013, 014 in inches. So there's several of those wires in an HDMI cable, and you will have enough to do whatever you want, really. Here's the other size that's in one of them. This is 0.028, so it's about twice as thick. So anyway, that's what I made those grab handles out of. I wrapped them around just a metal rod I had, and snipped them off, glued them in place, and took a black marker to them. So there's my cockpit. It's installed. I got me some fishing weights there. You can see one up here, one here, one up there. This thing isn't going to be a tail dragger, I can tell you that. Not with those weights in there. So, the intakes, I'm about ready to button it up. Got my intake sprayed in there. I don't think you can see down there too well. I think I got those smoothed over a little pretty well. Sprayed inside. Button this baby up tomorrow and get some work done on the weekend here. Since the Snowmageddon showed up, had 16 inches yesterday. Supposed to get more for the weekend. I've decided that I'm going to paint it. I've decided I'm going to paint it that color. that's on the box. I think those colors rock. So look forward to that for the paint job on it if I can ever get around to it. And wanted to give a shout out. You guys can check out a young modeler. I ran across him on ISM's site, and he really does good work. So check out his videos. It's his name is Trainboy187 or Trainboy157. I'll put a link in the bottom. But one last peek there if you were interested. And that's my update. I'm going to button this baby up and get some more work done on it this weekend. Peace out.